What's up, YouTube? I'm making a video for the people out there with the Nvidia Shield console. I wanted to show you an easy way how to sideload apps onto the console without all the other ways that looks difficult that the other people on YouTube are showing you. This is a quick way, so I'm gonna make a quick video. The first thing you want to do is go into the Google Play Store and download the ES File Explorer and the TV launcher or sideload launcher. So once those are downloaded, you go into ES File Explorer. Now I'm using a wireless keyboard and mouse so it'll be easier. Once you open ES File Explorer, you're going to open up favorites. Scroll down till you see Google, click on Google. In the search bar, you're going to type in Aptoid APK. Now, if you're looking to download anything to work on a Shield TV that's not available in the App Store, such as apps that's available on cell phones in the Android marketplace, you're going to put APK at the end. So you're going to download the Aptoid APK. Once you download that app, you're going to install it. And when you install the app, it's going to appear in the TV launcher or sideload launcher app. So you open that app. And then all the apps you downloaded from Aptoid, or most of the apps I downloaded from Aptoid, will appear here. These are my favorites, but you can go over to here, and these would be all the apps that you sideloaded. Okay, so once you download the Aptoid and install it, you can launch the app. And this will be where you download all your apps so you don't have to search for APKs anymore. You know, all the Android apps and everything that you can use on your Nvidia Shield console. All right, make sure you rate this video, subscribe, and comment in the comment section if you have any other questions or want me to demonstrate anything. And thanks for watching.